Right, so just got my shipment back from Diesel Technology of Chattanooga. They tested my PCM and ICM. And then they also changed the software on it from federal to California emissions. And the reason for that was I put split shot injectors into the truck, not knowing that it would cause problems. So, well, it ended up not running very good. So they, for 150, they tested it, they shipped it. So far, I've been pretty happy with everything. Communication is good. This is the PCM, so pretty impressed that they went out of their way to upgrade the software here. So when I upgrade the tunes, or when I install the tunes, I'll get the right tunes on here. So that's pretty cool. Tested 11/13/2025. So they charged me $150 to test both ICM, PCM, and then $70 or $75 to do the flash to the Californian module. This is a 7.3. Glad they put that sticker on there that says tested. I mean, maybe, I don't know how long I'll keep it, but maybe the future, if I sell it, future owner might want to know a little something about it. There's the injector control module. Date 11/13/2025. Tested. It should say passed, but they told me it passed. But 30-year-old truck almost, so what can you expect? Little I'll read that later. Information. Oh, there talks about all the passing. Buzz test code P11, Keo test code P1111. Power on, pass. I just wanted to have it tested so that I could eliminate that as being my problem, as why it's cutting out. So this is just some stuff that case vent intact, fail, whatever that means. Past bench testing, good. So that's what you get when you send your computer off to Diesel Tech of Chattanooga. They even give you a little sticker there. Nice. But we'll get these installed today. This is my Hydra chip that I need to upgrade from the federal to California tunes. So well, that's it for 7.3 today.